Organizational structures or organizational structure types. If you remember, this is the third factor which impacts the organizational systems, which in turn impacts the project within the organization. As I said earlier, when I talk about organizational structure, this is basically the reporting structure within the organization, or how the organization is arranged with respect to various functionalities or the roles and responsibilities. Now, the determination of the right organizational structure is a trade-off decision. That is, there is no single size fitting all. There is not a particular size you can fit all for any kind of organization. So you have to take a trade-off decision which are based on certain parameters. Now, these are the organizational structure types we have available in the latest edition of the PMBOK guide. One is organic. Other name is simple organization. Second is functional. This is also called as centralized structure. Multidivisional, which is less centralized. Matrix organizations. By default, if you are a project manager, you can assume you are working in a matrix organization, unless until the question is telling you particularly it is a different kind of organization, or the question is leading you in a direction that it is a different kind of organization. Otherwise, always assume when you are addressing the question in the PMP exam that you are in a matrix organization. There are three kinds of matrix organization: weak matrix, balanced matrix, and strong matrix. Next, project oriented organization, which are completely project specific. The organization is project oriented fully. Virtual organization, then hybrid organization, and a special type of organization which is also prevalent in many organizational structure, that is PMO, or project management office. Now, the P in PMO can be for project or program or a portfolio. It might be called as a program management office or a portfolio management office, but here, because you are in the PMP exam, we will be talking about project management office. So among this is of high importance, and this one is also high importance. And in the subsequent set of videos, I am going to talk about all this organization, and I will be putting separate videos for matrix organization and PMO. Also, we'll be talking about another kind of organization that is called as composite organization.